Shrestha, let me know what is in my hand.
Scale.
What is in my hand?
Scale.
Scale. Other students, please give me answer in a chat box. Okay, in my hand, scale. Do you know, Shrestha, what is the use of scale? What is the use of scale? Why we use the scale?
Use the scale.
Yes.
Measure.
Hmm?
Measurement.
Measurement. But we have measured the while we need to measure something. But basic use. What is the basic use of scale?
Line.
Yes, very good. To draw a line. To draw a line. Very nice. Okay.
Yes.
So for draw a line in your notebook while you write something, that time you want to draw a column. That
Yes.
time you use the scale, na? That time you use the scale.
Yes.
Which kind? Okay. Thank you, Shrestha. Mute yourself.
Okay, teacher.
Now next. Pushkaraj. I unmute you, Pushkaraj, from second D. Pushkaraj, I unmute you.
Yes.
Yes. Good morning, Pushkaraj. Okay. So Shrestha said us we use the scale to draw a line. Yes, to draw a line. So tell me, Pushkaraj, which kind of lines we can draw with the help of the scale? Straight line. Very nice. Straight line. So thank you, Pushkaraj. Now mute yourself. Now next students, Anuraga Doifode from second C. Anuraga Doifode. Yes. Anuraga, Shrestha, that Pushkaraj told us we use the scale, we use the scale to draw a line. Okay. And Pushkaraj said to us,
Yes.
we use the scale to draw a straight line. Okay. So tell me which kind of straight lines we can draw. In nursery, junior, senior, you already learn. Yes. With the help of scale, we draw a lines. But which kind of draw? Which kinds of lines we can draw with the help of scale? Now see, this scale, it's which position?
Straight position.
Straight position. But it's a standing or sleeping, it's a horizontal or vertical. If I keep this scale in this position, which line will get? ये पोजीशन में आप अगर बुक पे ये स्केल रखते हो तो आपको कौन सा लाइन मिलेगा? स्टैंडिंग लाइन मिलेगा कि स्ट्रेट लाइन लगेगा? Straight line. With the help of scale we draw only straight line, but with this position we draw a standing line or sleeping line. ये पोजीशन में कौन सा लाइन ड्रॉ करोगे? स्केल कौन से पोजीशन में है? स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में ना? Yes, very good, Manasvi Kali. So
Standing.
Yes, so this position we can draw a line in a standing line. In a standing line, it means called a vertical line. Vertical lines draw karoge na? And Anurag, now this position, which kind of lines will draw? Abhi scale kya ho gaya? So
Sleeping line.
Yes, very good. Sleeping line. So in sleeping line we called a, what is the next word? We called a sleeping line. That is a horizontal line. That is a horizontal line. Yes, very good. Very good. Other students give me an answer in a chat box very nicely. Thank you, Anurag.
Welcome, teacher.
Mute yourself. Okay. So this way we can going to learn a different kinds of line. Okay. With the help of scale, we draw a different kinds of lines. Now, one of the students, I unmute. Anvi Rajguru, I unmute you.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Anvi. Tell me, We use the scale to draw a line. Correct. We different kinds of lines we can draw, like a standing line, sleeping line, vertical, horizontal lines, straight lines, slanting lines. So with the help of lines, what we going to do?
Scale.
With the help of lines, लाइन से हम लोग क्या ड्रॉ करेंगे?
Square. Triangle.
Very good.
Rectangle.
Yes, very nice. With the help of lines, we can draw a shapes. Yes, Mansikale. With the help of line, we can draw a shapes.
Shapes.
Yes. So different shapes we going to draw, like a triangle, rectangle, circle. हम लोग line से draw कर सकते हैं क्या?
No.
We can draw a circle with the help of scale.
No.
No. We draw a circle. We need to which line? Which line we need for a circle? Yes. Now Anvi, mute yourself. I'll ask the
Okay.
next student, that is Prachi. Prachi, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Yes, Prachi. Tell me, can we draw a circle with the help of scale?
Yes.
कैसे? आप सर्कल स्केल के हेल्प से ड्रॉ कर सकते हो?
नहीं.
नहीं. तो हम लोग सर्कल ड्रॉ करने के लिए क्या यूज करेंगे? या यूज नहीं करेंगे, बट विच काइंड ऑफ लाइन वी कैन यूज? स्ट्रेट लाइन तो हम लोग ने हॉरिजॉन्टल, स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, वर्टिकल लाइंस के लिए यूज किया. तो सर्कल ड्रॉ करने के लिए विच काइंड ऑफ लाइन वी कैन यूज? आई विल शो व्हाइट बोर्ड.
Yes.
See. See, these are the straight lines. Slipping line, standing lines, correct?
Yes.
Everyone, students, look on the board. Okay, these are the slipping line, standing line. Slipping line means a horizontal line.
Horizontal.
And yes, very good, Arnav. Arnav, give me answer. For draw a circle, we can use a curved line. For draw a circle, we use a curved line. For circle draw करने के लिए हम लोग कौन सा line use करते हैं? Curve. This kind of lines is called a curve. जैसे हम लोग S निकालते हैं ना, alphabetically S, C,
Yes.
D. This kind of words we can write with the help of curved line. With the help of curve line. Yes, understand? For draw a circle, we use the curve line. These are the curve lines. Okay, these kind of lines are the curve lines. Okay, understand everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so today we going to learn a lines. Today we going to learn a lines. What we going to learn today? Let me know in the chat box. What we going to learn today? Line. Yes, how we draw a lines. We're going to draw a lines, different kinds of line. Which kind of lines we going to draw in a today? Which kind of lines we are going to draw? Yes, tell me. Okay, I'll share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. My screen is visible. Wait, I'll share again. Okay. Now screen is visible, Navya. Anvi, tell me the screen is visible. Yes, very good, Meghna. Now my screen is visible to everyone. So let's start. Today we're going to learn drawing a figure using a line. By using line, we can going to draw a different kinds of figure. In first lecture, we already draw a shapes. Not draw a shapes. We all different kind of shapes we can see. The 2D shapes. Okay, in that shapes we'll see in different objects we get the different kinds of shapes. Now we can draw a shapes with the help of lines. Okay. Now see students, I'll show you one page front of you, that is a line, segment and rays. Okay, we're going to learn today line, segment and rays. Firstly, we see the point. Okay, in your screen, I'll show the whiteboard. Okay, Saras, I unmute you. Saras?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now see, in the whiteboard, I put something. You have to identify what is this. Wait a second. Okay. What is this, Saras?
Dot.
Dot. Yes, these are the dot. Okay, dot it means what? Point. Dot it means a
Point.
Okay, so these are the point. These are the point. From this point, we can draw a lines. With the help of point, we can draw a lines like this. See, we can join the dots and we can draw a lines. Different kinds of line. Slanting line, slipping line, horizontal line, vertical line. Yes. So this kind of lines we can draw with the help of point. Understand everyone?
Yes.
So it is called a point. It is called a point. One dot, it means called a point. Now, next one is the, see, these are the 2 points. These are the 2 points. Okay.
Yes.
So we can join that 2 points. It is called what?
A slipping line.
It is called a
Slipping
yes,
line.
it is a slipping line. Yes, it is a slipping line. But we call this 2 points. If we join the 2 points, see, we join the 2 points, it means it is a line segment. It is a line segment. What we call?
Line segment.
Line segment. Okay. If we join the 2 points, it's called a line segment. See. Understand?
Yes.
Now, wait, okay, very good. Now mute yourself, beta. Now
Yes,
next students, I unmute the next student. The students will give me answer. Okay, I unmute the name is Arohi Kamble from 2nd D. Unmute yourself, Arohi.
Good morning.
Arohi, unmute. Good morning. Okay, Arohi, in a whiteboard, I'll show you. Other students also concentrate what I have drawn, going to draw. See, here is the, I'm going to draw a, see, what I have drawn. Arohi, tell me. Yes, dot. Dot it means we called. What we called? point. What we call point. Okay. Okay, if I draw a 2 dots, it means a 2 point, and I need to join that dots in with the help of line. If I join that 2 dots, 2 points with the help of line, what we called?
Sleeping line.
Yes, it's a slipping line, but what we call, it's a which line? It's a line segment. It's a line segment. Yes, it's a line segment. Okay.
Okay.
Now, I have only 1 point. I have only 1 point.
Yes.
So, with the help of 1 point, also I draw a lines. Okay. I'll show you how can we going to draw. See, I have a 1 point. This is a 1 point. So, with the help of this 1 point, I draw a line and give the arrow. Give the arrow. What is this? This is called a ray. This is called a ray. With the help of 1 point, we can draw a line. This ray can't be stopped. Okay, it means this line, whatever we want to draw a line, large line, long line, whichever long we have to draw the line, we can draw a line with the 1 point. So it is called a ray. It is called ray. Understand? R-A-Y, ray. And other students understand? Rudra, Satish, Rane, it's called a ray. Okay. Now, see, we are having 2 points. We are having 2 points like this.
2 points.
Yes, we are having 2 points. And we join that 2 points together and go ahead. So it means it is called a line. That line will go ahead both the side, whichever we want to long. Yes, it is called a line. So there are 4 main points of the to draw a line with the help of point. First is the
point.
It is called a point. If we join 2 dots together, it means a line segment. It means a line segment.
Line segment.
Yes. Okay. With the help of 1 point, we draw a line. It is called a ray. Okay. And with the help of 2 points, we can draw a whichever line we want. We get the 2 sides arrow. It means it is called a line. Okay. Yes. Everyone understand? So I'll show you the screen. I will show you the PPT. You have to identify well.
Okay.
Thank you. Now mute yourself, beta.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, I share my PPT with you. You have to. Okay, students, see. Today we're going to learn different figures, drawing of figures using a line. So how we going to draw a lines? Okay, line segment, rays. Okay, so first point is the point. I already show you the point. Point, it means the point has no size, no shape, no position. Okay, just a position, no size and shape. Whichever place we can put the point and we can draw a line. Next is the line. We can straight path. We draw a line with the straight path of a points. That is the 2 points. We can join that 2 points for starting and beginning of this dot and beginning end of the lines. It is no starting and no end. It means whichever long line we want, we can draw a line. It is called a line. Line segment. Line segment means what? A line segment is a portion of a line that has two endpoints. It means I have give a two dots. So we have to join that dot is called a line segment. Okay. Here the line means they don't have the end points. They don't have end points. They don't have beginning. So whichever long lines we want, we can draw a line. It is called a line. Line segment, it means the both having a end points. The starting in the beginning and end having a end points. So with the help of 2 points, we can draw a line segment. Next is a ray. Ray is a portion of a line which has no end point, and extends forever in one direction. Ray, it means with the help of dots, we can start, but they don't have an end point. Whichever line we want, we can draw a line in only one direction, okay? Not go back like that. We can go ahead. It is called a ray. Now next. In our textbook, there are different kinds of lines. I already asked you which kind of lines we can draw with the help of scale. So which kind of lines? We can draw a horizontal line, we can draw a vertical line, we can draw a slanting line, but we can draw a curved line with the help of scale. Yes, let me know in the chat box. We can draw a line with the we can draw a curved line with the help of scale. No. Yes, very good, Bhumi. We can't draw a curved line with the help of scale. Curved line is a free-handed line. Okay, it is not a straight line. We can draw in our alphabets. Our English alphabets, we can use many alphabets with the draw a curved line like C, D, S. Okay, this kind of alphabets we can draw. I'll show you. C, like C, this is a curved line. D, S, these are curved line. Even the circle, we can a circle with the help of curved line. But straight line, which straight line we can use with the help of with the help of scale, like a slipping line, that is called a horizontal line. These are the horizontal line. Standing line is called a vertical line. Okay, then slanting line. Okay, these are the slanting lines. So this way we going to draw a line. Okay, students. So this way we going to draw a line. See, students, now unmute one of the students. You have to identify which are the ray, which are segment, and which are the rays. Chinmay Jaikar, I unmute you.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Chinmay. Now your screen, the first line is this. Which line is this?
Ray.
Which line is this? Ray. Very good. Why is this the ray? Because ray has one side end point, but another side, whichever long we have to draw, we can going to draw. So we call that line is a ray. This is the ray. Okay, thank you. Now next one. Mute yourself, beta. Harsh Makwana. Harsh Makwana, I unmute you.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay, Harsh. Now your screen, the second position, the second line is this. Tell me which line is this second line?
Ray.
Second is the ray. Just see.
No.
Ray is the only one side should be go along. It's a what? You need to concentrate while teacher is teaching you. Yes, other students give me an answer in a chat box. Which is the second line? That is a line, only a line. Both the side arrow is there. Both the side arrow is there. It means it is a line. Yes, Ayush Kadam, very good.
Okay, sorry, teacher. Okay, sorry, teacher.
Okay, you need to concentrate while teacher is teaching. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this is called a line.
Line.
Okay. Now next one. Tell me next one. Which is the next?
He sang. Ray.
Yes, very good. Why it is ray? Because it has only one point and that should be go a very long. It is called a ray. It is not a,
Ray.
it is
Ray.
in one side, it will be go a head. Thank you, Harsh. Now next student.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Saish. Saish, I unmute you.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Saish, tell me the next one. Which is the line is this? It's a line. It's a line segment or ray. Yes. Yes. Yes, Saish. Ray. It is not a ray. Just see properly. Both the side arrow is there. It means it has no end point. Both the side in beginning and ending side. Both the side don't have the end point. It is called a line. So it is called a line. Yes. We call line. Okay. Now next one identify. Which is the next line? It's a line segment or ray. See, identify properly. Both the side points are there. Both side points are there. It means both the side they having the end point. Beginning side also end point and end side also end point. It means only we have to join the two dots. 2 points we have to join. It means what is called?
Line.
No, it's a line segment. It's a line. What we call line? बोलो मेरे पीछे.
Line segment.
Yes, line segment. जब हमें 2 पॉइंट देते हैं ना, सुनो ठीक से. When we get the 2 points, अगर हमें 2 points दिया है, वो 2 points को joint करना है. It is called a line segment. It is called a line segment. Yes. Now, if we getting only 1 point, and with the help of 1 point, we can draw a line. That is called a ray. So it means from the one side they can go along. It is called a ray. So I'll draw here. You can see, everyone see here. See, here is draw the following lines. Which kind of line? Firstly, we need to draw a line. So lines ko kya hote? The line has no end point. Line ko end points nahi hote. Both the side getting arrow. Okay. Line segment, it means we getting a 2 points. We have to join that 2 point. It is a line segment. And ray means what? Only one dot is given, 1 point is given, and we go ahead. It's called a ray. Understand, everyone?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let me go forward. Very good. Now mute yourself.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Now next student, I unmute the next student. Piyush. Piyush, I unmute you. Piyush, I unmute you, Piyush. Piyush More. Yes. Very good, Piyush. Now see, the question is this. The first already done for you. What is this? It is a line segment or ray. क्या है? तो it is a line segment. Already किया हुआ है. So now next is, what is this? Next question. Question number 2. क्या है वो? बताओ मुझे.
Sleeping line.
No, you don't identify the standing and sleeping line. Here you have to, which kind of line is this? This is the, it means what is the line is this? It's a line segment or ray. The option is given to you. The both the side arrow is there. It means what is this?
Ray.
No, arrow has only one side ray. Ray has only one side arrow. Both the side arrow, it means what? Yes, very good, Ansh. Both the side arrow, it means it's a line. It's a line. Yes, they don't have the end points. लाइन को कौन से भी साइड में एंड पॉइंट नहीं रहता. मतलब हमें कितनी भी लंबी लाइन खींचनी हम लोग खींच सकते. ओके, नेक्स्ट सिद्धार्थ. सिद्धार्थ, I unmute you.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Siddharth. Now, Siddharth, I circle the thing. You have to identify which line is this. What is this?
Ray.
Ray. Very good. What is the spelling of ray?
R-A-Y.
Very good. Everyone clap for Siddharth. Everyone clap for Siddharth. Thank you, Siddharth. Siddharth, now mute yourself. Yes, well done. Sulagna Sahu, you are from second B. So please go in your class, second AB class. Now next, I unmute you. Pragati Kamble. Pragati Kamble, I unmute you.
Yes.
Okay, Pragati. You have to identify what is this. Okay. Wait a second. I circle that thing. Pragati, tell me what is this?
Point.
Point. Very good. What is the spelling of point?
P-O-I-N-T.
Yes, very good. P-O-I-N-T. Point. Very nice. Clap for Pragati. Everyone clap for Pragati. Thank you, Pragati. Now, next student. Diksha Kadam. I unmute Diksha Kadam. Pragati, now mute yourself, beta. Diksha Kadam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Diksha, the fifth one you have to identify. It is the letter A is represent what? It's a line segment or ray?
Ray.
Yes. What is the spelling of ray?
R-A-Y.
Very good. Very good. R-A-Y. Now next, 6 also you can do it. Okay. The letter B represent. What the represent letter B? It's a line segment or ray? Parents, please don't tell. Parents, please don't tell to her. She have to identify. Okay. The next is the line segment. So I hope everyone understand line segment, point and ray. Okay. With the help of point, we can draw a different lines. Okay. Now students, you can mute yourself, beta. Mute yourself. Okay. Now I'll give you a pen. You have to draw a lines, whichever lines I told you.